Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator app on Android. So unfortunately my Android phone wouldn't let me to record my screen inside of the Authenticator, so instead I will just give you the steps and you can just open up your Authenticator and follow me. So let us begin. Firstly, of course, make sure to get the Authenticator from the Play Store, or maybe if you're on Android, if it's available there, not sure, use the App Store. Right, so after launching, you need to, firstly, of course, add your accounts. Tap on the plus icon on the top right corner, choose the type of account you want to add. It's going to be work or school, personal, and other accounts. After that, link the app to your accounts. For the Microsoft accounts, sign in with your account's credentials. After that, follow the prompts to approve the sign-in on a trusted device or enter a code sent to your email or phone. For work or school accounts, sign in with your organization's credentials. Scan the QR code provided by your organization's IT team or follow their specific instructions. For other accounts, you can use Google or Facebook. You need to visit the service's website to enable two-factor authentication. After that, verify your setup. Once the account is added, the app will display a 6-digit code. Enter this code on the service you're securing to confirm the setup. And now, you can also enable backup. Tap 3 dots on the app and go to Settings and turn on Cloud Backup. You can sync your accounts this way to your Microsoft account for recovery if you lose your phone. Thank you for watching. If this helped, press like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.